Hello, my name is Victoria Daniels, and today I'm here to discuss my insight on one of the 4 STEM topics. Now, if you do not know, the 4 topics of STEM are science, technology, engineering, and math. The topic I will be discussing today is science. Now, science is a subject that studies the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment. There are many different categories listed up under science, such as chemistry, biology, and physics. Chemistry is the study of structures, properties, and reactions of a substance. Biology is the study of life. And physics is the science that deals with matter, energy, motion, and force. Now, as there are many other different categories that are listed up under science, all these categories have in common that they deal with life, living and non-living organisms. Science impacts the world today through observations and experiments. These observations and experiments are used by those such as scientists to create new laws and theories of nature. It's also used by researchers to discover and investigate new forms of life and new diseases. And it is also used by physicians to help treat their patients of diseases by using new cures and new medicines. Science helps us to understand the cycle of life. For example, the cycle of our lives as humans, from how we start off as a fetus in our mother's stomachs, to becoming toddlers, to teenagers, to adults. Science also helps us learn the phases, why we go through certain phases throughout our lives, such as with our emotions. Science helps us to understand and define the functions of our bodies. For example, our hearts. The function of our heart is to pump blood throughout our bodies so that we can stay alive. Science helps us to learn all of these things and helps us carry out all these things throughout life. I plan to impact science through the world by pursuing a career in the medical field. I want to pursue a career in the medical field as a general surgeon. I want to be a general surgeon because I love helping people and I love learning about the body. Becoming a general surgeon will not only help me to impact the world of science, but it will also help me to impact the lives of the people of our nation. By using science, I can research and discover new things that will help me to help my patients to keep them healthy or to help them to become more healthy. I have discovered that I have a passion for science because of how our bodies react to different things, such as with the diseases. For example, the sickle cell anemia disease is very, very popular in my family. Most of my family members have the sickle cell anemia disease, but my mother has the rare form of the sickle cell anemia disease. Now, while the normal sickle cell anemia disease is common and scientists and many physicians and doctors have found different cures for it, there's not much that helps to cure the rare sickle cell anemia disease. I would like to use science to be able to understand and cure these different forms of rare diseases such as sickle cell anemia disease so we can eliminate throughout our nation. I also want to be able to impact the younger generation beneath me so that teaching them the importance of science so that maybe one day, they can impact the world of science by following in my footsteps of becoming a general surgeon or by pursuing another career in the medical field. This is very important for our nation because science is changing every day, and it is very important that everyone in our nation knows about it. I plan to positively make a difference in the world of science that will help all of us, including all people in all generations, for the better. And I encourage others to do the same. My name is Victoria Daniels, and thank you for watching my video on one of the 4 topics of STEM, science. Thank you. Bye.